Namaste. Now we will be seeing the Nadi Shodhana Pranayama. So that is the third technique. So we have seen the technique 1 and technique 2. Now what is the third technique? In the third technique also, you have two stages. Now we will see the stage 1. So what you have to do is you have to inhale without any strain. Inhale 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Hold Antar Kumbhaka 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is one cycle. So you start with left to right 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5 seconds, and to the right to left also 5 seconds. So we will see how to do it. Exhale. If you have perfected this technique, we can go to next stage, not stage 2. Okay, technique 3 stage 1. Instead of 5 seconds, you increase it to 1 or 2 seconds. So we will do 777. Exhale. So this is stage 1 in technique 3. So we will go to the stage 2 in the same technique 3. So instead of now there is inhalation, retention of the breath, and exhalation. So now we are going to increase it to, so this is 1 is to 1 is to 1. So instead of 1 is to 1 is to 1, so we will do 1 is to 1 is to 2. That is, if you are inhaling by 5 seconds, okay, 5, 5, 10. So we have to exhale for 10 seconds for both the nostrils. Now we will start from left. I will again tell you what is stage 2 in technique 3. Inhale for 5 seconds, retain for same 5 seconds, and exhale for 10 seconds. So instead of 1 is to 1 is to 1, we are going to do 1 is to 1 is to 2. Now technique 3 stage 3. Now instead of retaining for 10 seconds, you are going to retain for 10 seconds. So it is going to be 1 is to 2 is to 2. Exhale. So I will again summarize. So technique 3, stage 1, stage 2, stage 3. Stage 1 is 1 is to 1 is to 1. Stage 2 is 1 is to 1 is to 2. Stage 3 is 1 is to 2 is to 2. Okay. So if you have any doubt, you can always put your comments in the box. Thank you.